Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Ridgeline radio code. When your Ridgeline's battery is disconnected, the radio often requires a security code to function again. This is a common anti-theft feature designed to protect your vehicle. Without the correct 5-digit code, your radio will remain locked, preventing you from enjoying your favorite tunes or using navigation features. Let's get your sound system back online. Finding your radio code is the first crucial step. Many Honda Ridgeline owners find a sticker with the 5-digit code inside their glove box or on a card within the owner's manual. If these locations don't yield the code, you can often retrieve it online using your vehicle's VIN and radio serial number, or by contacting a Honda dealership directly for assistance. Once you have your 5-digit code, the process is straightforward. Turn your ignition to the accessory position, but do not start the engine. The radio display should show code or a similar prompt. Use the radio preset buttons, typically numbers 1 through 5, to enter each digit of your code. After entering the final digit, the radio should automatically unlock and resume normal operation, letting you enjoy your drive. If your radio still isn't working after entering the code, don't worry. First, double-check that you've entered the correct 5-digit code, perhaps verifying it again with your vehicle's VIN. If problems persist, your best bet is to contact a Honda dealership. They can often retrieve the code or assist with the reset process. Remember to check the description below for the link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.